Hello kids, a very good morning to you all. Hope you all are fine. Okay, so in the last class we discussed about your vowels and consonants. Yes or no? So you know that the vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. That means the sounds like A, E, O, U are called as your vowel sounds. Yes or no? Similarly, the consonant sounds B, K, D, F we learned in the previous class. Yes or no? So today we will discuss about the topic articles. Okay kids, do you know about articles? Okay, do you know about A and the? Yes, you know about A and the. Yes or no? So you just keep in your mind that articles are of two types. The first one is the definite article, okay, and the other one is your indefinite article, okay. And A and an are called as your what? Indefinite article, and the is called as your what? Definite article. We will discuss about that one later. So now let's first discuss about A and an. So already you know that the beginning sound of any of the word can be a consonant sound or a vowel sound. Yes or no? So you always keep in your mind that whenever a word starts with a consonant sound, then you have to use A. Okay? So see here, so usage is given, examples are given. So A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. Okay, examples are what here? Here you see man. So man, ma is a consonant sound. So we have used a man. Okay. Similarly, lamp is there. Lamp, la. The sound, it starts with a sound la. Yes or no? So this is, so here we have used the article a lamp. Similarly, cat is there. Again, ka is a consonant sound. So, aba, ka, da, these all are what your consonant sounds. Yes or no? So, that's why for consonant sounds we have to use a. Okay. And that should be singular. That means only if one is there. And if it starts with a vowel sound, that means A, E, I, O, U sounds are there, right? We learned in the previous class. So, if that starts with a vowel sound like apple, eraser, umbrella, ox, at the time we use an. Okay kids, so see here in the second one you are seeing apple is there. So, apple starts with a what here? Starts with a vowel sound. So, that's why we have used an. Similarly, eraser starts with a vowel sound. So, we have used an. Okay. And the next one is what here? So, for all the words which starts with a what here? Vowel sound, we use an, and always remember that a and an are used for singular. That means if only one is there, one apple is there, we say an apple. If more than is there, we will use different thing. Okay, then I will tell you. And if car is there, so because ka is what your a consonant sound, we will use what? A. Okay. So similarly, umbrella here, an is used. Hope you understood. Okay. Now moving to the next one. What is that? So see here, some more examples are there. So see here some more examples. Yes. A and the difference between a and an is what? A and an have the same meaning. A and an are indefinite articles. The difference depends on the sound at the beginning of the word. That means an is used for the words which starts with a vowel sound, and a is used with a words which starts with a consonant sound. Examples are here. So kids, see here the first one, a for consonant sound, a book, b is a consonant sound, a car, k is a consonant sound, a dog, d, okay, d is a consonant sound, a frog, f is your consonant sound, a lemon, la is also a consonant sound, a truck. Similarly, for all the singulars which starts with a consonant, we use a. Okay. and if it starts with a vowel sound like apple, see here, an apple, an egg. Okay, an insect. E is a vowel sound. An orange. O is your vowel sound. An umbrella, an actor, similarly. Okay. So hope you understood. Okay kids, so next we will discuss about article the. Okay kids, bye. So if you understood about a and an, complete the worksheet and post. Okay, if you are not able to understand, once again watch the vowels and consonants video I sent you, right? So then once again watch this video also, then try to do. Okay kids, bye.